Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. Today I'm participating in the Let Freedom Ring open collaboration. Links to all of the host channels will be in my description box below. So for this tablescape, I'm starting off with 2 red, white, and blue placemats, which I'm using as a table runner. Then I'm coming in with red woven placemats, white chargers, which I thrifted, red and white Dollar Tree plates, and then blue Dollar Tree plates alternating with my iridescent stars, which I already had on hand. My coasters were a DIY, and if you didn't see that video, I'll make sure to link it in the description box below, as well as the centerpiece and candles. Next, I'm coming in with blue glassware, light my candles, and we're ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create a patriotic tablescape in your home. I'd like to thank the hosts of this collaboration: Debbie Cabasa, Buckeyed Girls, Reefs and Things, J Mom Creations, Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville, and at Penny's Place. Thank you, ladies, for putting on another awesome collaboration. If you like this video today, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and baby, hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching today, and until next time.